there, Michelle from the Junk Journal Studio. I am doing a flip through of set 1 of my 38 Distressed Vertical Everyday Words series. And set 1 is with backgrounds that are a vintage yellow kind of undertone. There's 4 sizes for every word, 8 different colors, and a bunch of bonus stamps, and it comes to 56 pages in total. So it's a big kit. However, once printed, I mean, you have everything, every color, every size you would need for a really long time. So I find that convenient and great. So we'll get started here. So this is the tiny size, and on each word there on the tiny page are your bonus stamps. So we have turquoise here with some beautiful bird stamps. And then there's the small, and then there's 2 pages to get through the medium. And as you can see, there's words like journal and thoughtful and together and memories and lovely and laugh, kind, authentic. Yeah, so really good words to kind of use throughout the year. And then large is, I believe, 3 pages. Yes, 3 pages. Yeah, and so they have, you can see there's a slight yellow undertone to the background on these ones. And then this one is a no background, so you can print this one on any color page, any tea stain page, or scrapbook paper, or whatever you want, and you can get the background in which you print on. So that's really nice. Lots of options there for you, and some super cute puppy stamps. So that's tiny, and then small, medium, and then large. And then we have tiny in the blue. Beautiful stamp. She is so pretty. I really love this stamp. And then small, medium, and large. And then we have tiny in the green, small, medium, and large. And then tiny in the pink. Beautiful pansy stamp. And all the words are outlined, so they are great for scan and cuts if you have a scan and cut. And then purple. Red. I love this stamp. And then black border. Beautiful stamp. And then that's the last page of the digital. However, I do have in the next set of these numbers is set 2, and it's in a creamy vintage color without the yellow undertones. So I just want to bring that one in for you so that you can kind of see the difference, because it is really hard to see on screen when you're looking at the digitals in my Etsy shop. So those clearly have some yellow undertones, and this is more neutral. It's just a creamy color. So that's the difference. Yeah, so because the yellow undertones don't always work for every page. However, they are really nice for a lot of pages to just add an instant vintage feel to them. However, the creamy ones, you can use your distress inks or distress oxides and play with the colors a little bit. And yeah, they're just a bit more neutral for different projects that you might have. So yeah, that is the set 1 of the 38 distressed vertical everyday words, and you can find the listing in my Etsy shop, and it'll be in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.